Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are keeping safe and secure. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to today's English class. In the previous class, we have completed our reading A, The Treasure Within, part 1. Before entering to the part 2, let us once again revise the story of The Treasure Within, part 1. The Treasure Within is an interview between Mrs. Bela Raja, who is the editor of Spush, a newsletter, and Mr. Hafiz Contractor, one of India's leading architects. As a school student, Hafiz Contractor was afraid of education. It was literally a nightmare. Hafiz was a good student in first and second years. When he reached the third standard, he lost interest and he never studied. He was interested in games, playing jokes, and pranks on others. He would copy during the exam times. He could not remember things when they were taught in the class. One day, his principal called him and spoke to him. One sentence spoken by the principal at that time changed his life. The principal asked him to study well. In the SSC examination, he worked hard and scored 50%. The principal asked Hafiz to consider the score a distinction. Hafiz couldn't remember anything he listened to in the classroom. In order to remember things, he had to see them as a photograph. So reading a book was more helpful to him than listening to a teacher in class. Hafiz received a caning every week from his teacher, but he never took it seriously. He was serious about playing, going to movies, eating and having gang fights. He opened the books one day before the exams. So his books were almost brand new and students used to buy them for the following years. So this is the story of part 1. Now let us begin the treasure within part 2. Continuation of the interview between Miss Bela Raja and Hafiz Contractor. Hafiz stumbled on architecture because he knew little French and less German. He was offbeat even in the pranks that he played. When he found his calling, there was no looking back. So Hafiz stumbled on, meaning of stumbled on, he got into the architecture because he knew little French and less German. He knew little French language and less German language. He was offbeat, meaning of offbeat, unusual, even in the pranks that he played. So he used to use these languages in his pranks also, when he used to play. When he found his calling, there was no looking back. So never, after entering into the architecture, he never looked back. BR. So what is meant by BR? BR means Bela Raja and HC means Hafiz Contractor. How did you get into the field of architecture? So Bela Raja is asking the question that how did you enter into the field of architecture? So meaning of field, area of work. So in which area of work he works here? Architecture. Meaning of architecture, the art and study of designing buildings. So the art and study of designing buildings. He used to build, he used to design the buildings. So how did you enter into this field? HC. In the College of Architecture, nobody who had got below 80 to 85% was allowed to enter. I had only 50%. So in the College for Architecture, they should get below 80. Nobody are there below 80 to 85%. All were above 80. Above percent students were there in the college. But how much he received? How much percent did Hafiz get? Only 50%. I wanted to join the army. So where this Hafiz wanted to join in the army. Meaning of army, one section of defense force. So he wanted to join in the army. I got my admission letter, but my aunt tore it up. Then I decided that I wanted to join the police force. So his aunt, what did his aunt do? He got the admission in the army, but his aunt was not interested and she just tore the admission letter. Then he wanted to join in the police force. My mother said, don't join the police force, just do your graduation. So his mother also said that no need to join in the police force, you just complete your graduation. Meaning of graduation, it is degree, complete your degree. So I went to Jai Hind College in Mumbai. So where did he go? He went to Jai Hind College in Bombay. There I was to take either French or German. So in the college he had to take either French or German. Though I had studied French for 7 years, I did not know 7 words of French. So he says that though he studied French for 7 years, he did not know 7 words of French. That means he don't know the French language. So I took German. So what language did he choose there? German. Then my German teacher died. So soon his German teacher died. The college told me that I could change the college or take French. So he told that you can change the college or again you have to choose French language. Now, who would give me an admission in another college? I had got admission to Jai Hind by influence. So he thought that now who will give admission for me? Only I have just got 50%. So for this also I got through influence only I got the admission in this Jai Hind college. But now for going to another college, how will I get the admission? So I thought, okay, I'll take French, and I started learning French again. So instead of joining in another college, it is best to learn French itself, he decided. I learned it from my cousin. So slowly he started learning the language through his cousin. She was an architect's wife. So who is that cousin? She was an architect's wife. I was going to the architect's office to learn French. So he used to go to the architect. Meaning of architect, a person who practices architecture. A person who practices architecture. Already I told you meaning of architecture. It is the art and study of designing buildings. So she's an architect's wife. So daily Hafiz used to go to the architect's office to learn French. Bella Raja. Was it then you decided you wanted to do architecture? So Bella Raja questions and so you started going to architect's office to learn French. So that time did you decide to do architecture? Hafiz contractor. Actually it all happened quite by chance. So he says that by chance it got. In the architect's office, I saw somebody drawing a window details. A window detail is very advanced drawing. So when he went to architect's office, he saw somebody drawing a window. We all know how the windows look there. So he saw the drawing of a window and it is all very advanced drawing. I told him that his drawing was wrong, that the window he had drawn would not open. So he saw the picture of the window and he told that it was wrong and it would not open. He then had a bet with me and later he found that indeed his drawing was wrong. My cousin's husband was surprised. He asked me to draw a few specific things which I immediately did. So the person who was drawing the window and Hafiz contractor had a bet with Hafiz contractor. So the person and the person got a bet with Hafiz contractor. He said that what did Hafiz said was absolutely wrong, but later on it was correct. The drawing was wrong. So Hafiz's cousins was really surprised and he told Hafiz to draw some more few things immediately. He asked me to design a house and I designed a house. After that he told me to drop everything and join architecture. So Hafiz's cousin told Hafiz to draw a design to a house. So immediately Hafiz designed a house. So immediately what did Hafiz's cousin do? That told to drop everything and join in architecture. We went to meet the principal of the college. The principal warned me, I will allow you to take part in the entrance exams, but if you do not do well, I will not allow you to join. So immediately both Hafiz's cousin and Hafiz went to meet to the principal. So immediately Hafiz's principal warned and told him that I will give you the part to take part in the entrance exams. You can take part in the entrance exam, but if you do not do well, I will not allow you to join in the college again. I got an A plus in the entrance exam, and from that day it was a cake walk. So immediately in the entrance exam he received A plus grade. So from that day it was a cake walk. Meaning of cake walk, something easy to achieve. I had never made a plan, but I knew how something looked like from the top. I had never known what a section was, but I knew if you cut a plan what it would look like. So he thought that he thought that I knew how something looked like from the top. He nothing know how to do a plan or anything, how it looks from the top, but he never know what is section. Meaning of section, cutting and divided into parts. He don't know how to do it, but when he started how to cut a plan, he remembered that he looked like everything. It was what he knew. I stood first in class, first throughout. After that, from that day on each and every class, he stood first in class throughout the year. I believe that all this understanding came from what I used to play and do during school. So he believes that he used to understand came from his school age when he used to play. I had a friend called Behram Diveka. We used to have competitions between us for designing forts, guns and ammunition. Each of us would design something is an effort to be different. So his friend and Hafiz used to have the competitions between to design forts. Meaning of forts, castles, guns and ammunition. Meaning of ammunition, supply of bullets. Each of us would design something in an effort to be different. So both his friends Behram and Hafiz used to keep a good effort to draw the designs. In school, when I was in the second or third standard, one of my teachers, Mrs. Gupta, saw my sketches and told me, "See, you are useless in everything else, but your sketches are good." So he remembered his teacher that when he's studying in second or third standard, one of his teacher, Mrs. Gupta, saw my sketches. Meaning of sketches, pictures. Seeing his pictures, drawing pictures, she told that you're a useless, but your sketches are good. When you grow up, you will become an architect. So she says that when you grow up, you are an architect. I did not know at that time, but she was right. So he says that I don't know the meaning of architect, but whatever my teacher, Mrs. Gupta, told, she is absolutely right. Later, after I became an architect, I went back to meet her and told her. Soon, when he became a big architect, he remembers his teacher and he went and met his teacher and told that he was an architect. In the textbook, you can see the pictures of Hafiz. He has done this architectures. He had designed the pictures of these buildings. Belaraj, why do you think you did not like studies? Was it because you felt you could not cope, could not deal with curriculum? Belaraja asked that why do you did not think to study? Do you feel that you could not cope with, meaning of cope with, manage? You could not deal with curriculum, meaning of curriculum, syllabus. You could not deal with this both. Did you feel that it is hard and you did not study there? Hafiz contractor. I was very bad at languages. Science and geography I could deal with. Maths was very bad. I just was not interested. I was studying for the sake of studying. What they taught me today, I would forget after 2 days. I would not bother because there was no application of mind there to begin with. So he says that he was very bad at languages. Science and geography he could deal with. Maths, coming to maths, he was very bad. In the beginning of the lesson itself, he says that he was afraid of the maths examination. He could deal with, meaning of deal with, cope. He was just not interested in study. He used to study for the sake of study. He could not remember everything. He could forget after 2 days. So he would never bother about the studies. Belaraj, did you think that what they taught in school was boring, or did you feel that once you understand the concept of what was being taught, you lost interest in the rest of the lesson? The question asked by Belaraja was, do you think that what they taught in school was boring for you? Did you feel the bore in the school while teachers are saying in the school, did you feel their bore, or you did not understand the concept? Meaning of concept, idea of what was being taught, or you lost the interest of the lesson. Hafiz, living in a boarding school is difficult. So he explains that living in a boarding school, living in a hostel is very difficult. We were just living from day to day. He counts from day to day. Nowadays, there are so many tests. Back then, whenever we had tests, we used to just copy. The teacher thought we have done our work. So he used to say that we used to have so many exams, tests. Back then, when teacher used to conduct the test, we used to just copy, but the teacher thinks that we had done our work very well. Belaraj, there is a contention that giftedness and learning disabilities go hand in hand. Do you think this applies to you? Meaning of contention, difference of opinion of giftedness and learning disabilities go hand in hand. He says that it is a giftedness by God. Learning abilities, it goes from one hand to another. Does it thinks it applies you? So Hafiz says that, well, take some students from my class. Those who always stood first or second are today doing very ordinary jobs. He says that those who, now it is an example, he says that the students who studied along with me, those who stood first in the class are now doing ordinary jobs, meaning of ordinary, normal jobs. Belaraj, I have come across this situation in so many different places where people tell me that their class toppers are doing very ordinarily today. So Belaraj also says that I have come across, meaning of come across, meet or find by chance, meet or find by the chance that some of the few members says that this situation, meaning of situation, state or condition, I have observed in so many places that the class toppers are now and then doing very ordinarily job. Hafiz contractor. In school, I think living our lives, they're made us street smarts. He says that living in school makes our lives made us street smarts, meaning of street smarts, skilled and wise people moving in streets. I have learnt more by doing what I did on my own than what academics would have taught me. So he learned more than academics. He learned by himself, meaning of academics, studies. More than studies, he himself learned very much. Belaraja, that is because the personality and skills were there. So it is not easily to know my own, because it is having the personality, meaning of personality, personal qualities. I have the personal qualities of architectures and skills, so why I learnt architecture. You were able to find expression in a manner you were comfortable with, and you defied every rule so that nobody would stop you from doing what you needed to do. So here Belaraja says that your expression in a manner you were comfortable with and you defied, meaning of divide, broke every rule so that nobody would stop you. Nobody would stop you what you needed to do. So you have a goal that you have no goal, but you thought of did not study properly, you used to behave did not prepare properly in the class, but you just know how to be with others. So you used to do your work, so nobody stopped what you were doing, and you know what you needed to do. Belaraja, I was more interested in other things. If, for example, while in class it started raining outside, I would think of the flowing water and how to build a dam to block it. So when everybody used to sit in the classroom, he doesn't used to concentrate on the class. He used to always look outside the building. So he thought of saying when it was started raining, he used to think the flowing water and how to build a dam and block it. So see in the picture here. So he used to think how to, if more it is raining, how to block the water. So he used to build a dam, meaning of block, stop. How to stop the water to not enter into the buildings. He used to think such type of things, how to build the buildings. And how much water the dam would be able to hold. He used to think how to build the dam and how much water does the dam hold. meaning of hold, stop the water. He used to think about such kind of things. That was my interest for the day. So that was his interest for that day. When students lost a button while playing or fighting, they would come running to me and would cut a button from them from chalk using a blade. Discipline in the school was very important and no student could afford to have a button missing. The student would get past dinner with a full neat uniform, and after that it did not matter. So whenever students used to lose the school button while playing or fighting, they used to immediately run near Hafiz, and Hafiz used to make a button using chalk and using a blade. So discipline is very important in the school campus, and day by day it doesn't matter also. Bella Raj. Coming to the present, how do you decide as to what kind of structure you want to give a client? So you asked that coming to the present, as an architect, how will you decide that what kind of structure was your client? Meaning of client, customer. So how would you know about your customers, those who reached you? Hafiz contractor. I look at the client's face, his clothes, the way he talks and pronounces, the way he eats, and I would know what his taste would be like. So he first of all he says that I would see the client's face, his clothes, and the way he pronounces. Meaning of pronounces, the way one speaks, and how the way of eating, and he tastes how he would taste everything. He looks keenly to the client. I can relate to the people in a way that would be comfortable. I sketch very spontaneously on a paper on the spot. That paper I give to my people in the office. So he used to sketch very spontaneously without planning. Meaning of spontaneously without planning on a paper on the spot. On the spot means then and there he used to draw on the paper and he used to give to his people in the office. Bella Raj, did you do it instinctively? Meaning of instinctively, naturally. Did you do it naturally? Hetzi, call it instinct. Meaning of instinct, an unlearned activity. It is not at all, it is an unlearned activity. Call it arithmetic, whatever. Now it comes to me like mathematics, putting design, construction, psychology and sociology together and making a sketch from all that is mathematics. So here you observe children, just now he is saying that now it's come to me like all mathematics. He is telling that whatever architecture I am doing now, it is full of mathematics. Putting a design or construction or psychology. Meaning of psychology, behavior science, and meaning of sociology, study of society. Everything he put it together. And this all makes me to draw the sketch, that is mathematics. Here we almost come to a full circle where Mr. Contractor had derived his own interpretation of mathematics, taking it from a subject he hated to a subject he now loves dealing with. Here in the conclusion he says that here we almost come to a full circle. Meaning of come to a full circle, written to the same attitude that one originally had deduced. He came to the original attitude. He showed his original attitude that Mr. Contractor has derived. Meaning of derived, deduced. His own interpretation. Meaning of interpretation, explanation of mathematics. Now he is able to explain the subject of mathematics. Take it in from a subject he hated to a subject he now loves dealing with. Once, as a student, he hated the subject, and as an architect, he loved his subject, and he now completely deals with his subject, mathematics. Once again, let us go through the glossary. Field, area of work. Architecture, the art and study of designing buildings. Army, one section of defense force. Influence, recommendation. Architect, a person who practices architecture. Drop, leave. Calling, work, office, house. Cakewalk, something easy to achieve. Section, cutting, divided into parts. Stumbled on, go into, that means architecture. He stepped into architecture by chance. Offbeat, unusual. Forts, castles. Ammunition, supply of bullets. Sketches, pictures. Cope with, manage. Curriculum, syllabus. Deal with, cope. Concept, idea. Contention, difference of opinion. Ordinary, normal. Situation, state or condition. Street smarts, skilled and wise people moving in streets. Defy, broke. Academics, studies. Personalities, qualities. Block, stop. Hold, stop. Client, customer. Pronounce, the way one speaks. Spontaneously, without planning. On the spot, then and there. Instinctively, naturally. Instinct, an unlearned activity. Design, plan. Psychology, behavior, science. Sociology, study of society. Come to a full circle. Return to the same attitude that one originally had. Deduce. Derive, deduce. Meaning of interpretation, analysis, explanation. Why couldn't Hafiz join either the police or the army? Isn't it? We all know that why he wouldn't join. Because Hafiz wanted to join the army. He got his admission letter, but his aunt tore it up, isn't it? When he wanted to join in the army, his aunt tore this admission letter. Then he decided to join the police force. But this time who told not to join? But this time his mother asked him to do graduation instead of joining the police force. Isn't it? Because of his aunt and mother, Hafiz couldn't join either the police or the army. Second question. What made Hafiz become an architect? This whole answer, go through the answer thoroughly there. We all know that Hafiz, how did he become an architect? And suddenly he went to an architect's office. He was to learn French. He observed a person drawing a window there. And then and there, what did he tell there? That what the drawing of the window was wrong. So the architect told that it is correct. So they had a bet and it was proved that what Hafiz told that it was exactly correct. So immediately Hafiz's cousin was surprised and advised him to drop everything and join architecture. Then Hafiz had an understanding of the structure of how a thing looked like from the top. So first of all, Hafiz knew that he understood the structure. He understood the structure of the given picture from the top itself, and he also had a good understanding of the section of a structure, though he didn't knew the name of the section. What is meant by the section, he don't know, but he knew what was wrong in the given picture. Third question. Why did Hafiz's teacher think that he could become an architect? It is very easy answer, isn't it? In his childhood when he was studying, what did his teacher say, children? Yes, Hafiz's teacher, Mrs. Gupta, saw his sketches and told him that he was useless in everything else. Why he was useless, Hafiz? Because always he used to play and he used to make jokes and he used to disturb the whole class, but he never used to study. But teacher told that he is useless in everything else, but she praised his sketches and said that he would grow up and become an architect. Why do you think Hafiz was not interested in studies? Because Hafiz was imaginative and always wanted to do things. These are his creative abilities which don't find place in his studies. So, Hafiz was not interested in his studies. What are his creative, imaginative? That always he used to spend time in the playground itself. He doesn't show the interest in his studies. So he is not interested in studies. Comment on the statement, giftedness and learning disabilities go hand in hand. How do you Hafiz experiences support this statement? So this is very important question and answer. Let us discuss this. Comment on the statement. Giftedness and learning disabilities go hand in hand. So what does this statement says that in the given lesson? If one person is disabled in one area, he might have remarkable abilities in other area, isn't it? You can take the example of Hafiz. So coming in a young age, Hafiz was not at all interested in studies. But right now, he is very great architect in India. Hafiz was not good at languages and mathematics, but he was good at drawing sketches and other creative activities like making buttons using chalk and blade. He grew up and finally became an architect. So we can say that giftedness and learning disabilities go hand in hand. These are the examples. So he is very great. He doesn't study. He is not at all good at languages and mathematics, but he is very good at drawing sketches. This shows this. He's in one area he is not at all good, but coming to other area he is well and good. This shows that the giftedness and learning disabilities go hand in hand. Last question. What according to Hafiz is mathematics? Do you agree with his view of mathematics? Give reasons. According to Hafiz, what is meant by the mathematics? Yes, according to Hafiz, putting design, construction, psychology and sociology together and making a sketch from all that is mathematics. So what did he realize at the final there? Putting a design, constructing, psychology, sociology together, everything now he uses and draws, and he says that when I draw the sketch that this all includes from mathematics. Originally he hated mathematics, that is bookish. So isn't it, when he is young he hated and he is scared of mathematics subject. He took the parts of mathematics that were needed to him in his profession. So only he took the parts of the mathematics that are used only in his that he was needed to him in his profession. He loved that mathematics he understood and used. I completely agree with his opinion. So he considered mathematics as one of his part of his work. So now he loved that mathematics and he understood and used it. So now I will agree with his opinion. Write neatly the given glossary and question answers in your classwork and send it to my given WhatsApp number. Thank you. God bless us all.